Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Now we are going to learn about the histology of adrenal gland functions from human anatomy. This question is asking about the function of the secretions from the arrow-marked region. When faced with this type of slides, understanding the slide may seem challenging. Instead, focus on the options provided. The options given are pointing the functions associated with the adrenal gland. Firstly, let's have alternative slide for the detailed discussion. The slide represents the adrenal gland structure. Adrenal gland consists of two main parts. As you see, the green line separates outer cortex and inner medulla. The gland is covered by a capsule composed of collagen fibers. Below the capsule lies the adrenal cortex, which has three distinct layers, remembered by the mnemonics G, F, R, which is not related to glomerular filtration rate. Firstly, G, the outermost layer below the capsule, notable by its dense nuclei. This region is called Zona Glomerulosa. Next, F, the middle layer of the cortex, lighter in appearance with less dense nuclei. Cells in this layer form fascicles, means plates, separated with longitudinal capillaries. This region is called Zona Fasciculata. Then R, the innermost cortical layer, characterized by a network of randomly arranged cells, which is called Zona Reticularis. Below the cortex lies the adrenal medulla, a lighter region distinct from the cortex. This region contains secretory cells stimulated by sympathetic neurons derived from the neural crest cells. Moving further to the functions, Zona glomerulosa produces mineralocorticoids like aldosterone, which regulate electrolyte balance. This occurs through the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, which controls the blood pressure and the excretion of sodium, potassium, and hydrogen ions in urine. Next, Zona Fasciculata produces glucocorticoids like cortisol, which maintain blood glucose level by regulating metabolism. Next, Zona Reticularis produces weak androgens such as dehydroepiandrosterone, shortly DHEA, which influence secondary sexual characteristics under certain conditions. For instance, female may develop tumors that lead to masculine feature such as facial hair growth. And then adrenal medulla produces epinephrine and norepinephrine hormones responsible for the fight or flight response during emergencies. Now returning back to the question, the arrow marked region corresponds to the zona glomerulosa, which secretes aldosterone to regulate electrolyte balance. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, electrolyte balance. That's the end of the session. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Cheers.